Hi, my name is Nicholas Hunter. The title of my project-based learning assignment is Save Our Planet. The grade level I've chosen is second grade, and the subjects that will be focused on and that will be touched on throughout this process is science, language arts, and mathematics. Some of the lessons that the kids will learn are students will use their creative knowledge to work through tasks or problems in groups to gain a deeper understanding on the subject matter. So the state I have also chosen for state standards for that grade level and curriculum is California, because I plan on furthering my education and taking my career there. The state standards for Common Core California standards state this: that in second grade, students observe patterns associated with changes in objects and events and develop the ability to make simple predictions about what will happen on the basis of concepts, principles, and theories related to the natural world. The learning objective through this project would be understanding why we recycle, how we can create a lesser impact in our daily lives, and the importance of trees. Students will also learn about the threats to our oceans and ocean animals, and any animal in general in the environment. They gain information in how they can help with this environmental problem throughout the project. An overview of the activities are after they've grasped the understanding of recycling and why it is important, then they will start on the projects and move forward with this state standards and curriculum. Some of the projects will start with, first they will just view the plants themselves, such as trees, after they know what the life cycle of plants and what their importance and what they serve for animals and humans and just the environment in general. And so they would start by just viewing the trees and plants themselves, and in this process they will have groups that they're working in. So while they're viewing, they will have a note taker, someone's understanding what is being done and taking notes and taking memory of that. Someone, as the projects move forward, so just another one would be building out of trash or stuff you would throw away, building toys or tools with the pieces of trash that we recycle and use. And with this, each student will have a role in their group. And so, as I said before, there'll be a note taker, someone to understand and remember according to Bloom's taxonomy. And then we have someone that will analyze and apply it, the implementer. So maybe someone actually doing the work while someone's taking the notes. And then to process this, evaluate, and create this whole thing, maybe someone in the group is a facilitator. So if there was, let's just say, groups of 3, then each of those roles would be filled. So according to Bloom's taxonomy, those would be the groups that would be hit. So the justification of this learning is for the students. So based on what they've already learned in first grade, can further their second grade science curriculum and education. And through the project-based learning, the kids themselves can track and analyze what they're doing moving forward and understanding the material, while the teacher him or herself can observe the situation, be its own type of facilitator, and make sure the projects are moving on path correctly and moving smoothly, and each student understands their role in the group projects. So yeah, an assessment at the end would be just students can evaluate their notes, discuss within their group, and also relay that information to the teacher so that all parties are on the same page. And so in this process, the science portion would be, they know the life cycle of the plants, the basics, and language arts will be implemented on their conversations with each other, the notes they're taking, and just the basic understanding and process of it, the comprehension. And the math would be anything. So if there were, say throughout the weeks, there's a project that they need maybe to take temperatures or measurements of certain materials. I guess that would also be science, but also the mathematics and the numbers to calculate whatever comes about with the recycling. Maybe they need to count the number of materials they're using or track the date and time in which they're recording this. So the mathematics, language arts, and science will each be hit throughout the process of these projects. And I think that is it. Thank you for your time. Yes, have a good day.